What's up, guys? It's Monday afternoon, finally in the garage. Had a busy day. Getting back on this 2000 Silverado. Just got all the steering buttoned up, figured out. All the bugs out of that aspect. Everything's tight in the front. Everything works. I got, well, needs a hood light. But that simple thing. Working good as new. There we go. We'll leave that unplugged though. Save the battery. Let's figure out. Fire's up. Sounds good. Couple lights to figure out. The four-way's on and check the lights here. Well, that's what the. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Third brake light's blinking. Well, that's not okay. We're gonna have to figure this out. See what this issue could be. I'm thinking it's probably the circuit board on this GM's. There's a circuit board in there. I don't know if you can see it real well. Yeah, right there. Controls all the lights. I'm gonna try to find one of those, swap it out, and hopefully we get these lights taken care of, and double check my checklist on this thing, get the interior cleaned up, and get it out of the garage. We're back day 2, trying to figure this out. I just have the left turn on. That should be blinking the amber. Blinking the amber and the red. This will be blinking both over here. And third brake light is still blinking. Changed the, what's it called? Circuit board. I pulled the tail lights off so I could get a light, check all the bulbs. Everything looks good. All the filaments are there. Checked all the fuses just in case. I don't know if it could be the turn signal switch. Anything's possible. Or grounds. We got to go back through over that. So that's what I'm going to do. Go to hit the grounds and figure out these lights. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see in the front, we got all 4 bulbs lighting up for the 4-ways. Well, go check that one. We got her over here. The ambers, the middle light, you can see on the lens here, be that middle lens lighting up, and the third brake light is dim. That's what we were after. Excuse me. Turn the 4-ways off, turn the parking lights on. That would be the red. Dimly lit like it's supposed to. I'm gonna hit the brake light, and the third brake light should light up as it should. Just like that. That's what happens when you hit the brake light. What we have found is, I don't know. So I've told everyone the story on this truck. This truck we bought was slammed hard in the front as like that crew cab. I got an 07 chassis, old body style, classic. And I put this body on it. I swapped everything over. I found 2 grounds that weren't completely tight. One end was messed up. I replaced the end, and that was the one that is right there, that little bolt. This wire coming over is the rearmost ground on this chassis. And I want to say that was my biggest issue. But yeah, the eyelet on the rear wasn't getting a good contact, therefore not a good ground, causing those funky issues. That's why you don't just go throwing parts at something and hope for the best. Took a little time. I figured it was a grounding problem. Found the issue, fixed it, and as you can see, all the lights are fixed. So I gotta go through, put the tail lights back in. I gotta get my pick, push these pins back in for this plug for the license plate lights. Last piece I need is this plug that holds the spare tire up. Another common problem with these GMs, it's made so if your spare drops, this latch locks up in here. And with all my personal vehicles, I just like to go and cut that tab off. Yeah, I run the risk that if this line ever does rot up, I'll lose my spare. But coming to the chance that if I need my spare, it'll drop and I won't have to fight with this little piece here, little latch, which is quite fun hanging on there, especially at night in the rain when you usually blow a tire. So I got those couple little things to do. This truck will be done and out of the garage, and waiting for paint or go get the paperwork done for the reconstructed title. But that's going to be the rest of my day. I'm going to get this one wrapped up, and hopefully tomorrow we have the big blue truck in here and we'll start replacing the steering box. So you guys have a good one. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you're liking what we're doing.